bunch of van people over there. Down here, free parking. I think you can park in this lot overnight, but you have to pay. I'm not sure what the fee is. This is South Redondo, or Torrance. We call it Rat Beach. Bunch of parking here. No campers. Is that still a restaurant down there? I think there's a restaurant down there. Patio, furniture. It's like a weed session is about to happen. I don't know why we need to bump so loud. It's not necessary. Should be peaceful.
These poor ladies are sitting in this minivan trying to talk.
Kids, what are you gonna do? Kids and their speakers. Up here. Let's see what it says here about parking overnight. If it does. I don't see anything about parking overnight. But you got some campers down there. Let's see, right there. Right there. So there is overnight parking, but I believe it's
This is Poppy.
Hey puppy.